I feel like this microwave does not get used enough to be this dirty, but here we are. So follow me today as I steam clean my microwave.
Wind is blowing through our hair, the lights are shining everywhere. From up above and down below, we fall into the afterglow. So now, this is the perfect night tonight.